nowadays.
Yeah.
All about social.
Oh, that was quite
Gemma
good
doesn't
shot,
actually play airsoft, you know that, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
no.
I'm just one of those pick-me girls, you know?
Yeah.
The gun bunnies.
Gun bunnies.
At the end, at the end. Get down, get down. Go on, dude.
Yeah, I got one.
Did you?
Yeah, I got one.
Go on, go for the UAV, go on. Get down, rest a sec. Oh my god, what a name! Oh mate, that was tasty, man. Gotta scream witness me as you run out, yeah? Hey, there she is. Right, we're gonna try that way. Yeah.
Oh god! That's insane.
I feel like it. Honestly, it's been so good today. Is he got him?
Now that's fucking good.
Big hell! Dude, back up. Right, it's 4 of us, right? As you go in, there's 2 window bits. As you walk in, 2 of us just shoot left, 2 of us shoot right. Just get like a massive shotgun spray as you go in. Yeah? Ready? I mean, just go. Hit! Oh no, we've lost our commanding officer. That's it, game over, lads. Go! Go! Cover it! I got it! Right, come on, I gotta try this.
Are you okay?
Right, coming round here. I can get a nice hug from me as well. Come on, let's go forward.
Mine's long enough.
Oh my god,
It's the super sneaky picture.
that is tasty, I like that.
Then I got a move.
Go on. Nice one. We can...
Go a bit of fun with a gas powered grenade.
Oh yeah? Oi!
165 dB.
Right, we got the artillery going, that's it. Hey, right dude, love it. That's made my day. That has actually made my day. What a legend. This has been our intro.
Dannyboy!
God.
Stay low, guys. Right in front of us, stay low. Jamie, get your head down. Jamie, get low.
Go on, Jay.
Go on, quick. Stay in cover.
There he is.
And it wasn't me, Paul. You're saying flipping your push to talk.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a red, isn't it?
Colour?
Yeah, he's red. I hear that giggle. Oh, go on. Yeah, that's it. We're watching you.
So I've got the fastest gun in the world.
Mate, ARP9, bang it.
Ending doorway.
Right there, go for him.
Sorry.
Yes!
Sorry if I got you.
I feel like the president here, I'm being protected by a reload. Oh mate, I've got an idea. Wait, I forgot about this.
Right there.
And a half low, each forward.
Lower and right.
No, aim higher.
Got it!
What's that free water?
Huh?
Do you have a YouTube?
Yes, I do. You have, yeah? Mate.
I saw the...
The dolphin.
Yeah.
Nice one, appreciate it. I'll give you a sticker of that.
I've got a pirate in there.
Whereabouts? Bottom?
Yeah. You get him?
This one?
Oh yeah, that'll do. Good.
Well, that's the only one I found on the front.
That's alright, yeah, that's it.
Yeah?
I was thinking if he's still in that window, I'll just run up to it and post that through.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
That on your helmet.
Sorry, dude.
That's alright, there's 2 hitting you. Women play airsoft too.
Big up! But that's the first time I've ever seen Jem get a kill. I'm joking, I'm joking. Look at the mesh guard, look what's under it. Oh, lovely. What's a BB under? It hit me in the nose and went under.
As long as it's a loose BB, not a tooth, then you're fine.
Oh.
There
Jesus.
Don't know how that got in there. Do a little dance. All good. Come on, you got to do the worm across the floor.
Can't do it across the floor, but that's what's stopping that.
Oh, now you know that's in the video, 100%. Oi! I saw that, nice one man. Keep that locked down. Keep that locked down, keep an eye on it, yeah? That is awesome, oh my god.
Getting ready for the event, wanted to test it out.
That's so cool, I love it. Hey, that's what we like to see. Teamwork. Mate, we need to be getting sponsored for this thing, you know. Right, Jem, seeing this is a forum, right? You get behind that cover, 1v1. Nah, I'm too scared. Nah, you'll beat me. I'll get embarrassed. I know Nathan put it in the footage. Go on, let's do it. Go on. Go on, go. Go on. Someone through side. Oh, did I get it?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
She went like that and I went up the wrist.
Alright, fair. Oh, let's see it. Everyone's like, why haven't you reloaded? I'm watching a knife fight.
Ah, yeah.
1 to 1.
Yeah, last one. Quick.
Right, you both got to use your left.
Yeah, you got to use your left.
Left?
Yeah.
As opposed to your right.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Oh, love it.
I was using one of these the other day and it missed like half my footage.
That's exactly what happened with mine, yeah.
I think I didn't push it far enough forward.
Right.
Well, as you can probably tell by now, we lost the zoom cam footage again.
Go on.
I'm
Right,
so
do a
sorry.
couple. Where'd it go?
Cheers for grabbing that.
What, do I win it, yeah?
No, that's Paul's, not mine.